In 1911, a man walked out of the Louvre with the Mona Lisa hidden under his coat. Vincenzo Peruggia was a former museum worker. He knew every security routine, every blind spot. On a quiet Monday morning, he hid overnight in a supply closet. When the museum opened, he simply walked to the Mona Lisa, lifted it off the wall, tucked it under his work coat, and walked out the front door. Nobody noticed for 24 hours. Staff thought it was being photographed somewhere else. But here's the crazy part. Peruggia kept the world's most famous painting under his bed in a tiny Paris apartment for over 2 years. While police searched the globe, the Mona Lisa was gathering dust under dirty sheets. His motive wasn't money. He believed Napoleon had stolen Italian art. He wanted to return it to Italy. The theft made the painting legendary. More people came to see the empty wall than had ever seen the actual painting. Peruggia's downfall, he contacted an Italian art dealer to quote-unquote return it. He got just over a year in prison.